back here at the New Balance factory store, Kissimmee, off 192. It's been a couple weeks since the last time we came here. Take a look around. Start off. Oh, it's a dope jacket. Nice little fleece. Olive green. Got a tan colorway. Additional 40% off. $69.99. It's a great price. Picked this up last time when we were here. See if anything else is new on the apparel side. They moved some stuff around. I don't think I saw this last time. Nice little New Balance tee. See what's the price on here. $24.99. Additional 40% off. This tee also $24.99. This is cool. This is a dope graphic. Right. It's a good crew neck. Good crew neck, $64.99. Additional 40. We got the sweats also. Sweats are the same price, $64.99. Pretty light though. Lightweight on the sweats. It's a cool tee. Got the Napoleon kind of colorway, like the ice cream. Got the brown strawberry. Neapolitan or Napoleon, yeah, whatever it's called. You know, the ice cream with the 3 colors. Yeah, they changed some stuff around since last time I was here. Now the socks are buy one, get one 50% off. And when I bought mines a couple weeks back, they were yellow tags, so I got an additional 50% off. Instead of buy one, get one 50% off. So I got my socks for actually $7. As they were $14.99. Yeah, my socks were $14.99, and I had an additional 50% off. So I got a pair of white and another pair colorway, kind of brown tie-dye wash colorway that I haven't seen before. And they didn't have these last time I was here either. It's pretty dope. It's a duffel bag, $49.99. It's a cool looking bag. Let's see, take this one down. That with a black. Let me just take this down all the way. Get a good look at it. It's a nice duffel. Nice little fabric. Not bad. All right, here on the markdown table today, they have an additional clearance sale is an additional 40% off. So this pair, it's a navy. What's this model? I don't know. New Balance WRPD. Got a pair of 1000s here. These are different. It's like a light powder blue. Let's see what we have over here. 1906 Rs. That's a cool colorway. This one too. Nice earth tone mix. $139. Additional 40% off. These also 1906. Another additional 40% off. These were here last time, so these weren't. These just came in. But I seen these at the other clearance store though. Yeah. $139 also. Additional 40% off. We got here on the wall. Got to take an additional 40 off. Sneaker of the year right there. You can see my colorway. these are additional 40 off. These were an additional 40 off last time I was here neither. I think this colorway. So I think they were part of the buy one get one 50% off. So 119, additional 40, still a great price. They added a couple more 740s. It's a dope colorway here too. A couple more women's models. Come down the aisle. Let's see what else we have here in the lifestyle section. A couple of usual suspects that we seen last time. Buy one get one 50% off. No additional percentage off. And you got to hit here when we have those yellow sticker sales. You know, we catch that 50. Oh, they still have these absorbs. But now it's taking additional 40. But last time we were here, it was 50. So I say you got to take advantage of those 50s when you. Hey, they must be restocking because you can see the hash racks are empty from 12 all the way over to 8.5 mins. And there's just a few things back here. What are these? I've seen these before. 725s, $69.99, additional 40% off. So I'll probably wait another week or so and come back and see what they restock with. I know we're coming into the winter time, so they added a few jackets. This is a nice jacket right here. What's the price? $79.99 with additional 40% off. This is a little too big for my daughter, but that's a nice jacket. A great price too. Got the reflective, New Balance, got the fleece inside. These are $59.99. Okay, not bad. Got a nice little breaker here. New York Marathon. $49.99. Not a bad price. Oh, they moved the socks over here. These are the socks that I bought last time. Oh, and it still was tax-free week when I got those also. So we're in a new month now, so tax-free is over. I was in the month of August. All right, that's it for the New Balance factory store here off of 192 in Kissimmee.